How to locate an asset and track its route in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. To view the asset location, navigate to the Location section. Click on Assets under the Location section. Look for the Trucks section to view the location of trucks. Look for the Trailers section to view the location of trailers. Once you have chosen the vehicle you want to view the location for, click on it. Select the desired date range to view the location details. You can view the route of an asset on the map. Here, you can observe the vehicle's status, speed, location, distance covered and hours driven by the vehicle. The assigned driver for the vehicle will also be displayed. If the vehicle has an associated dashcam, it is possible to not only see the live footage but also to review the trip footage. You can observe the trip history of the vehicle. If you wish to review the route history of the vehicle, click on the play button. To check the live location of the truck, click on the live button located on the right side of the screen.